Hello and welcome to Vermont Lavender.
So these are the new bath salts that I'm working on. So you have the little stars right there, very teeny. And it smells beautiful. It has pink Himalayan salt, has a little bit of a bubbly thing, and it's nice and hard. And so that's going to be the layered look. And then these are the rest of the combination. And this is a lavender scent right here, a nice creamy color. And we have our purple. And then we have a little lighter purple color. And then over here, nice little vanilla color. And then these I didn't color at all because I just want a little bit of break in the color scheme. So this is what it looks like right here. And I need to put them all together. And I'll have that up shortly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and check out my other short videos or my other long videos. And if you're not a subscriber, think about subscribing. I'd love to have you join me on my weekly postings and what I'm doing. All right, check it out. So cool. I'm going to make more of these. I love this. Nice bubbling bath salts.